In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in Notion. It's important to know right away that Notion does not currently include a built-in tool for freely rotating images inside a page. So if your image is sideways, upside down, or just not facing the direction you want, the simplest solution is to rotate it in another image editor first, then place the corrected version back into Notion. Start by opening your image in any image editor you already have access to. On Windows, you can use the Photos app or Paint. On a Mac, Preview works perfectly well for this. If you prefer more advanced software, Photoshop is also an option. And if the image is on your phone, any basic mobile photo editor should do the job. The specific app doesn't matter too much here, as long as it allows you to rotate the image and save the change. Once the image is open, look for the Rotate tool. In most apps, this is very easy to find and is usually shown as a circular arrow icon or listed in the Edit menu. Rotate the image until it reaches the orientation you want. For example, if the image is tilted the wrong way, keep rotating it until it appears upright and natural. Take a quick second to confirm that everything looks correct before moving on, especially if the image contains text or a screenshot, since those are easiest to notice when they're still turned the wrong way. After that, save the edited image. In some apps, this may overwrite the original file, while in others you may need to choose Save As and create a new version. Either approach is fine. The main goal is simply to make sure you now have a properly rotated image file ready to use. Now go back to Notion. If you haven't added the image yet, upload the newly edited version directly into your page. If the image is already in Notion, replace it with the corrected file instead. This ensures that the version shown in your workspace matches the rotation you just fixed in the image editor, and that's really all there is to it. Since Notion relies on the image file itself rather than offering full rotation controls inside the app, rotating the file beforehand is the most reliable method. Once you've done it once or twice, this process becomes very quick and easy. This process,